August 14th, 2018. Thousands of people were driving across this bridge like any normal day. Then suddenly, the entire structure began collapsing beneath them. Cars disappeared into dust, concrete shattered through the stone, and within seconds, one of Italy's most important bridges was gone. The Morandi Bridge in Genoa, Italy. Considered as an engineering icon, stretching across the city for over 50 years, it carried massive amounts of traffic every single day. Few people imagined that one morning the bridge itself would become a big disaster zone. But warning signs had existed for years. Engineers had raised concerns about structural weakness, corrosion, and aging support systems. Maintenance became increasingly difficult, and as traffic loads increased, over time, pressure on the bridge continued growing. Still, the bridge remained open until the storm arrived. Heavy rain slammed into Genoa that morning. Thunder echoed across the city, and suddenly, a massive section of the bridge finally gave away. Nearly 700 feet of concrete collapsed within seconds. Vehicles plunged into the void below. Witnesses described hearing an explosion-like sound before the structure disappeared into dust and debris. Panic spread across the country. Rescue teams rushed into dangerous conditions, searching for survivors beneath the broken concrete and twisted steel. The disaster shocked engineers around the world. Questions quickly emerged. Could the collapse have been prevented? Were the warning signs ignored? And how could such a critical structure fail so catastrophically? Investigators later discovered that the disaster likely wasn't caused by a single moment. It was years in the making. The bridge used a unique cable-supported design created in the 1960s. But over time, moisture, pollution, salt exposure, and aging materials slowly began damaging critical components hidden deep into the structure. Traffic across the bridge had also increased dramatically over the decades. Far beyond what engineers originally expected, warnings and maintenance concerns has been raised for years. But repairing a structure this complex was difficult, expensive, and heavily debated. And on that stormy morning in Genoa, decades of accumulated stress may have finally reached a breaking point. The Genoa Bridge collapse became one of Europe's deadliest infrastructure disasters in recent history. A terrifying reminder that disasters rarely appear out of nowhere. Sometimes the danger isn't sudden. Sometimes it builds silently, year after year, hidden behind concrete and steel, until one day the system finally gave up. And by then, it's already too late.